Hey everyone, I'm Anne from English Valley Cafe. Welcome back to another English lesson. Now I know many of you are stuck at home, and when you're at home a lot, almost 24 hours a day, your house gets dirty pretty quickly and then you have to clean it. So I thought today I'd share with you some common phrasal verbs that we use to talk about keeping the home clean or to clean the house. Alright, so are you ready? Let's get into this video. Our first phrasal verb is clean up. Say it with me, clean up, clean up. And clean up just means to organize things, to put things away and make the surface or make the area clean. So if you have kids at home, you'll probably use this phrasal verb a lot. So parents will always tell their kids, okay, please clean up your mess, or please clean up your room. Okay, clean up your room. Another example, I need to clean up my bedroom. I need to clean up my bedroom. Or we spend the entire Sunday cleaning up the house. Now, sometimes when a surface gets really dirty, like on a desk or like on a countertop, if it gets really dirty, we need to wipe down, okay? Wipe down. So wipe down means that you clean a surface very thoroughly with like a piece of cloth. Okay, so for example, let's say my kitchen counter is really dirty. I just cooked, I made a mess. So I might say, I need to wipe down the kitchen counter. Okay, or I need to wipe down the counter. Now I have a question for you guys, and I want to know what you think because there are different opinions out there. Should we wipe down food packagings to reduce the risk of COVID-19? I know people who are more careful and cautious. They will clean all the food packaging. They'll wipe it down when they come home. Do you do that? Let me know down in the comments. Personally, I try to, but I don't wipe down all the food packagings. The next phrasal verb is pick up. Okay, say it with me. Pick up. Pick up. So when we pick things up, this is a separable phrasal verb. That means that we can put the object in the middle. So when we pick things up, like they're on the floor, so we have to bend down and pick things up, right? So for example, can you pick up your dirty socks, or can you pick them up? The next phrasal verb is put away. Put away. So when we put away something, it means that we put the thing back in the place where it belongs or where they should be. So for example, again, you might say to a kid, please put away your toys. Okay, so that means put them back on the shelf or maybe in your toy box. Put away your toys. Or please put the clothes away. Can you put away the dishes? Okay, and again here, put away is a separable phrasal verb. So I can say, can you put them away? Okay, them here again as in dishes. Can you put them away? If you find this video useful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here or you have not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Thank you so much for joining me today. Stay safe, and I will see you back here next week for a new lesson.